Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. In back we've got GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power lift gate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 38,386 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.